I lost 22 pounds on Jenny Craig, and this was my aha moment.
I had been like super fit and super active my whole life, and now you're working this 8 to 5 job where you're sitting at a desk all day. It just, the weight catches you by surprise. It's like a downward spiral. I was out with my friends, we took a group photo, and I was looking at this picture like, who is this person? I knew right then, I was like, you've got to make a change. And I saw Jenny Craig Rapid Results commercial, so I went in. It is the best decision that I've made, and I wish I would have made it sooner. I am in all of my clothes from my freshman year of college.
I am so lucky to have had these guys. They've been like my own personal cheerleading squad.
And I am so thankful that they have given me that confidence in that person that I lost.